Here's a quick demonstration on how to add buttons to a message in Microsoft Teams and link it to a Salesforce record without posting to a central record block. In this example, we'll be posting a contact record and allowing the end user with or without a Salesforce license to edit that contact without posting a central record block. Like so. The way to configure this is in Salesforce Flows. So here I have a Salesforce flow that is a record-triggered flow based on the creation of a contact record. So here, when a contact is created, I run on the asynchronous path. Using the Centro Flow notification send notification message, I've selected a channel and a team to have that post. Here I am just posting the text associated. This can be a text template and use HTML styling. Notice that I am not posting a record block to this message. I am linking the record to the channel and linking the thread to the channel here. In the custom buttons section of the flow message, I have an edit contact button. In the API name, I am passing the variable of the record that was created. I'm doing that using a resource here called variable called var contact ID, and I'm just defaulting it to the triggering contact ID here. So I navigate to the triggering contact and find the contact ID that's appropriate. Once done, I grab that variable and paste it into the API name here. In the Centro Form, I select the Centro Form that's appropriate after clicking Show Centro Form here. That is how you configure the Salesforce flow. In Microsoft Teams, I've simply built a Centro Form that is tied to that flow element. Here in my contact edit form, in the hidden section, I have my contact ID and I have pasted the merge tag of API name. This passes in that variable of the contact ID to this form. Now this can be done with any object within Salesforce, but again, here's the demonstration on the contact object. So again, this is a quick demonstration on how to take a message without the central record block and allow users to edit and click buttons in Microsoft Teams. Please reach out with any questions.